Have you ever poured milk into your cereal, coffee, or smoothie and stopped for a second to wonder, wait, how does this actually get here? It's easy to think milk just magically appears in cartons at the grocery store, but behind every drop is a fascinating biological process that has been perfected over thousands of years. Inside a cow's body, hormones, organs, nutrients, and careful farming practices all work together to turn grass and grain into one of the most important foods in human history. And no, cows don't just always make milk. Just like humans, they only produce milk after giving birth. So today, let's pull back the curtain and explore how cows really produce milk. From pregnancy and hormones to milking machines and modern dairy science, right here on History of Simple Things. Humans have been drinking animal milk for more than 8,000 years. Archaeological evidence shows that early farmers in the Middle East and Europe began domesticating cattle, goats, and sheep, not just for meat, but for their milk. Over time, people learned how to ferment milk into cheese, yogurt, and butter, making it last longer without refrigeration. In the 1800s, milk production changed forever with the rise of industrial farming and scientific research. Scientists like Louis Pasteur helped develop pasteurization, a process that kills harmful bacteria in milk and makes it safer to drink. This discovery dramatically reduced milk-borne diseases and made mass distribution possible. By the 20th century, dairy farming became highly regulated and standardized. Organizations like the United States Department of Agriculture and similar agencies worldwide began setting health and safety rules for milk production. Today, modern dairy farms combine traditional animal care with advanced science to ensure milk is clean, nutritious, and widely available. At the heart of milk production is biology. A cow only begins producing milk after she gives birth to a calf. During pregnancy, her body prepares for lactation by developing her mammary glands, which are located in her udder. Once the calf is born, the cow's brain releases hormones, especially prolactin and oxytocin. Prolactin tells the udder to start producing milk, while oxytocin helps release that milk when the cow is milked. This system works much like it does in humans who breastfeed. Inside the udder are millions of tiny structures called alveoli. These are microscopic milk factories. Blood flowing through the cow's body delivers nutrients such as proteins, fats, sugars, vitamins, and minerals to the alveoli. The cells inside then transform these nutrients into milk. Water plays a huge role too. About 87% of milk is water, which is why dairy cows drink enormous amounts every day, often over 100 liters. Without proper hydration and nutrition, milk production drops quickly. What a cow eats directly affects how much milk she produces and how nutritious it is. Dairy cows are usually fed a carefully balanced diet that includes grass, hay, corn, soybeans, and special mineral supplements. This mixture provides energy, protein, and fiber needed for milk production. Cows are ruminants, meaning they have 4 stomach compartments. This unique digestive system allows them to break down tough plant fibers that humans can't digest. Microbes inside their stomachs help convert grass and grain into usable nutrients, which eventually become milk. Good farmers also pay close attention to cow comfort. Stress, overcrowding, illness, and poor living conditions can reduce milk yield. That's why modern dairy farms focus on clean barns, soft bedding, proper ventilation, and regular veterinary care. When cows are healthy, relaxed, and well-fed, their bodies function more efficiently. In many ways, milk production isn't just about biology. It's about trust and care between humans and animals. Most dairy cows are milked 2 to 3 times per day using automated milking machines. These machines gently attach to the cow's teats and use controlled suction to remove milk. The process is painless when done correctly and usually takes only 5 to 10 minutes. As soon as the milk leaves the cow, it flows through sanitized pipes into refrigerated storage tanks. Cooling happens almost immediately to prevent bacterial growth. From there, milk is transported in insulated trucks to processing plants. At the plant, milk is pasteurized to kill harmful microbes and homogenized to evenly distribute fat particles. This is why store-bought milk doesn't separate into layers. Some milk is also fortified with vitamins like A and D before packaging. Only after passing multiple quality tests does milk reach supermarket shelves. From farm to fridge, every step is carefully monitored to ensure safety and freshness. Many people wonder, if humans take the milk, what happens to the calf? Right after birth, the baby cow is fed its mother's first milk, called colostrum, which is packed with antibodies that protect it from disease. This early feeding is essential for survival and healthy growth. After a few days, calves are usually fed milk or milk replacer by farmers, following animal care standards supported by groups like the Food and Agriculture Organization. This ensures they still get proper nutrition, even while most of the milk is collected for people. So while the milk is shared, the calf's basic needs are still carefully met. So the next time you drink a glass of milk, remember that it's the result of an incredible partnership between biology, farming, and science. It starts with a mother cow, guided by hormones and supported by proper nutrition. It continues through careful milking, strict hygiene, and advanced processing. And it ends in your kitchen, ready to be enjoyed. Milk isn't just a beverage. It's a story of evolution, human innovation, and daily dedication. Behind every carton is a complex system that has been refined for thousands of years. And once you understand that journey, even a simple splash of milk in your coffee feels a little more amazing. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.